Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be exploring Flare Network and Songbird. It's going to be an interesting video, so do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you are interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for regular videos. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, let us begin. Before we head on and check out the charts and websites, let me first explain what Flare Network and Songbirds are. An easy explanation, guys. So, what else can we use to have easy explanations other than Chat GPT, guys? So, here is a basic explanation of what Flare Network is, guys, for those of you who do not know about it and for those of you who want to refresh their memories. So yeah, well, so basically, what's Flare Network? What is its purpose, use case? Basically, guys, Flare Network aims to extend the functionality of certain blockchain networks that lack smart contract capabilities. This is a huge use case in and of itself. Here is an example, guys. XRP Ledger is primarily designed for fast and efficient cross-border payments, but guys, it lacks, obviously, you know that it lacks smart contract capabilities like Ethereum's. So Flare Network is basically an extension of that use case that Ethereum provides, and it is providing to platforms such as XRP Ledger and non-Turing platforms. I'm going to be explaining what Turing and non-Turing are as well in a moment. Basically, this is a huge use case, guys. There are very good platforms that might not have smart contract capabilities, and they can use Flare network in that regards, guys. So smart contracts and Flare time series. Flare introduces a new protocol. So how do they do that? Basically, they have this new protocol called Flare time series, guys, FTS, which is used to enable smart contracts on non-Turing complete blockchains, guys. So this is a keyword. What is Turing complete and non-Turing complete? So let me explain it briefly. Basically, guys, Turing completeness has been applied to the world of blockchain to assess the capabilities of any given blockchain. Like, for instance, between Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, Ethereum is Turing complete as it enables developers to write multifaceted programs in Solidity and run them on the Ethereum virtual machine. Complex computing and programming is possible on Ethereum, whereas in Bitcoin, guys, it is different. That is non-Turing system compared to Ethereum, whose underlying script programming language is intentionally designed to be non-Turing. It prevents complex conditional smart contracts coding, programming, conditional complex that is possible in on Ethereum, guys. So basically, that is non-Turing. So what Flare network does is it basically enables those smart contracts on non-Turing complete blockchains, guys. So that is an awesome use case. If you haven't figured it out already, this allows users to build decentralized applications. So obviously, if they have smart contract capability, then you can build dApps and execute smart contracts on networks that traditionally didn't support them. So, how many big projects can use a Flare network, guys? You can take a guess. Token. So they've got the use case. The native token of the Flare network is called Spark. Holders FLR. Holders of certain supported cryptocurrencies like XRP could receive Spark tokens. Okay. So yeah, decentralized finance, DeFi integration. Flare network is designed to support DeFi applications to lend, borrow, trade. Awesome. They've got a Oracle system as well. We've talked about Chainlink, which has an Oracle system. So Flare has an Oracle system. And Oracle means when you bring external data and external information onto the blockchains. So basically, giving further use case to Flare, Flare and FLR and the platform. That is awesome. And guys, it aims to be interoperable. Basically, it is working amongst various blockchains and various legacy systems as well in the future. So that is huge, guys. That is awesome. So this is Flare Network, and uh, a, a, Another part of Flare network is Songbird, guys. It is basically the canary network of the Flare network. So Songbird SGB, it has got its own token as well. So basically, what is Canary, guys? Canary network, it basically acts as an early warning system for potential issues or bugs before they are implemented on the main network. So basically, Songbird basically provides the developers to test out new features, upgrades, and changes before they are deployed on the Flare network, so that issues are resolved before it gets real, guys. Before any hassles and all of that. So that is great. The utility and testing. Songbird serves as a testing ground where developers can experiment with and test their applications, smart contracts, and other features in a real-world environment without risking the assets and operations on the main Flare network. Obviously, the testing ground, the battleground for Flare network. So that is huge in and of itself, guys. Songbird has great potential as well. So they've got token. Songbird has its native utility token called SGB. Users on the network can use SGB for various purposes. So it has value, guys. They've got a relationship with obviously Flare Finance, which we talked about. It is used for testing new features and improvement for Flare Finance before they are implemented on the Flare network, the DeFi, and mainnet. So that is awesome. Let me show you what is a canary network. A canary network is an operational blockchain with a defined token supply that allows new features to be tested under production conditions before they are deployed on the main network, guys. That is awesome. That is great, guys. In my opinion, Flare network has a decent use case. Obviously, this is the website of Flare network, clean and slick. Connect everything. Flare is the blockchain for data, providing developers with secure, decentralized access to high integrity data from other chains and internet. EVM based layer 1 blockchain with two native data acquisition protocols. A lot of people get confused with the Flare network website, so this is why it was my duty to basically explain first what Flare network is, what SGB is, basically Songbird is, Flare time series oracle, which we talked about. So awesome. State connector, trustless event data, decentralized prices, Oracle, unleash the full potential of blockchain, use Flare's decentralized data acquisition protocols and scalable EVM based smart contracts to expand the reach and value of your project. So there are a lot of great projects that are going to be using Flare network, guys. Uh, the use cases all awesome, guys. Unlimited use cases, infinite use cases. I mean, a lot of projects are going to be using it. Awesome, guys. I really like the use case. Bridging, state acquisition, Web2 connectivity, decentralized data feeds, scalable smart contracts. That is great, guys. And now let me show you the partnerships as well and the associations. Recent, basically, this January 15, 2024, FLR token up 7% as Google Cloud becomes Flare network infrastructure provider, guys, associated with Google Cloud now. What else can a project do to gain legitimacy? So let me now show you the price market cap of both Flare Network and Songbird. So this is the chart at the moment, guys. So Flare Network is basically down 9.43% for the day. So let me show you the monthly chart as well. It is up 21.58% for the month. But let me show you the all-time chart, guys. So this can prove to be a really, really good entry at the time of the recording. That is, let's see where it goes. It is testing out this crucial resistance over here, 0.020. And guys, it is down since it has basically since its all-time high. Let me show you the all-time high as well. So yeah, it is down 73.31% since its all-time high. So check out the market cap at the moment. Basically, with the current circulating supply, we're going to be checking it out. So that is $680 million. And for what it is doing, guys, this can be huge. And trust me, in my opinion, it can be huge due to a lot of projects utilizing its use case for basically using its use case to basically provide themselves smart contracts and all of that stuff, guys. Market cap can rise significantly in the future, billions. And some are even claiming, I've seen the community, they're even claiming trillions because a lot of project might use the Flare network. But obviously it depends. Do you think it has a really good use case to reach hundreds of billions or not? Do hit the comment box below to let the community know. And guys, this is Songbird SGB as well. Check this out. $78 million market cap according to Coin Market Cap, and fully diluted 126.28 at the time of the recording, guys. So this is the Canary network that we talked about, the testing ground, and it is down significantly as well since all-time highs. Check this out, 98 down 98.91%. So it is extremely down, guys. So undervalued as well. What do you guys think about both Flare Network and Songbird? Do you think that the community that is bullish about both of these projects, do you think that Flare Network can reach billions, tens and hundreds of billions in the future or not? Discuss that in the comment box below. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the utility coins and potential gems as well, then obviously subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for regular videos. And you guys can also become a Patreon to support the channel. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.